The Department of Public Safety is now in charge of investigating the shooting in Allen. They typically take charge of large investigations like this one or the school massacre in Uvalde 1 year ago. Cheryl Mercedes with our sister station in Houston explains how their process works and why investigators may be slow to release new information.
Terrified shoppers left the Allen outlets in a panic after a lone gunman stepped out of his car and opened fire. First responders rushed toward the chaos to render aid, while crime scene investigators began building their case.
Essentially, what you have at the scene is a capital murder.
Retired Chief of the Texas Rangers Tony Leal says DPS detectives from across the state are tasked with collecting evidence, interviewing witnesses, and compiling a final report for the district attorney. The Texas Rangers is the investigative branch of the DPS, called upon to provide resources to local law enforcement agencies.
What they want to find out is exactly what led up to this, what happened during it, and what happened afterward. There's been talk about a security uniform. Was he a licensed security officer? What level license did he have? Did he have firearms training? How many firearms did he own?
Some of the many questions raised by the public and journalists. But in the days following the mass shooting, authorities have been slow to answer.
We aren't hearing too much from DPS in comparison to immediately following the incident in Uvalde. Why is that?
When you start releasing information within the first day, second day, third day, it's always going to come back that some information that you put out was not correct, because it's not possible to have interviewed all the witnesses, to have looked at the evidence, what that evidence meant, to see if other people are involved.
As for when that information will be made public, Leal says that's tough to tell.
The investigation could end quickly and say, hey, we know we've got this locked up. We know what happened. But every interview you do, every piece of evidence you collect could lead to sub-investigations that are part of this major investigation.
In Dallas, Cheryl Mercedes.